California is no stranger to wildfires, but in recent years, the fires have become more frequent, more intense, and more destructive. Climate change is a major factor, bringing hotter temperatures, drier vegetation, and stronger winds. These megafires are a threat to human life, property, and the environment. They release massive amounts of carbon dioxide into the atmosphere, further exacerbating climate change. The situation is dire, and we need innovative solutions to combat this growing crisis. Fighting fire on the front lines. Firefighters risk their lives every day to protect us from wildfires. They face extreme heat, smoke, and unpredictable conditions, often working long hours without rest. They use a variety of techniques and technologies to control and extinguish the flames. This includes advanced equipment and strategic planning to tackle the fire effectively. These include air tankers, which drop fire retardant or water on the fire. Their aerial support is crucial in managing large-scale wildfires. Helicopters, which can reach areas inaccessible by ground crews and drop water or transport firefighters. They play a vital role in rapid response and containment. And bulldozers, which clear vegetation to create fire breaks, slowing the fire's spread. These fire breaks are essential in preventing the fire from advancing. Despite these efforts, fighting wildfires remains incredibly challenging and dangerous. The unpredictable nature of wildfires makes every situation unique and perilous. The sheer scale and intensity of these fires often overwhelm even the most heroic efforts. Firefighters must constantly adapt to changing conditions and new threats. We need to explore every option available to protect our communities and our environment. This includes innovative solutions and community involvement to enhance our resilience against wildfires. The lack of transparency and consequences of geoengineering. Weather modification is the answer to California's wildfire crisis. Non-biased scientists know it could play a role. Cloud seeding, for example, can be used to increase rainfall in fire-prone areas, reducing the risk of ignition. However, we see no activity from our government to utilize cloud seeding or HAARP, and the sentiment instead being pushed is that we don't have the technology. One major concern is the potential for unintended consequences like hurricanes and earthquakes, but we are not getting transparency for even this. Altering weather patterns in one area could have unforeseen and potentially harmful effects elsewhere, and yet they use it to win wars. Furthermore, the science of weather modification is still evolving. HAARP, however, gives us full understanding of the complex interactions within our atmosphere. Using these systems without transparency is unjust and suspicious.